Okay guys, welcome back to the Mark Bow channel. Today I thought I'd do a nice little quick video on how to summarize your 2019 Ski-Doo Blizzard. I've never done this before, I've never even looked at the book, so we're going to do it together. Apparently it's really simple, so we'll see what happens. I got the book with me, so we'll take a look at the book and we'll see what's involved. Let's do it. We push the set button so we can see the odometer reading, which it's at now. Or wait, is it? Okay, hold on. Push the set button. So there, that's the odometer reading. 703 kilometers. Pathetic for a season. Repeatedly depress the high-low beam switch rapidly, then while doing this, press and hold the set button until the push S, the button, appears on the display. The storage mode does not function in other modes. Trip A, Trip B, or Hour. Okay. Repeatedly depress the high and low beam switch rapidly, then, while doing this, press and hold the set button until push S appears. And while doing this, I hold the set button down, and it should come up on the screen. That's not working. Hi. Oh. Press and hold oil injection. Press, hold S for oil injection. So I'm going to hold it again. Well, wasn't that a complicated thing? My goodness, it's done. Summarized for the summer. So I guess you have to hold, oh, smoky in here, that's for sure. Rapidly do this and hold that S button down for a long time until what you saw on the dash, and then you hold that S button down, stop pressing the high-low beam, and then it goes into its own mode, and we're done. Alright, thanks for watching. Mark Bow.